This tutorial will take you through the process of creating an application in the Esso Register. As you can see, I'm logged in as an admin for Carl's Awesome Company, which is an asset owner used for training purposes. The processes for creating an application for a dispensation or an equivalence arrangement are very similar. In this tutorial, we'll apply for a dispensation for an asset where an identified non-compliance cannot be remedied. Before creating one, we should check that this application will not duplicate any granted dispensations or applications that are currently being processed by the system operator. So to do this, we'll go to the Esso Register on the main menu. Here you can see all dispensations and equivalence arrangements, as well as applications being processed by the system operator. Use additional filters to refine the search parameters. For this tutorial, I'm going to add a filter for the application type and the asset name. I select dispensation and enter the asset name. I can see there are no relevant dispensations granted or applications in flight. In addition, you should check if there are any new applications that have been drafted but not submitted for processing. To do that, go to the Applications menu. I am confident that there are no existing applications for the non-compliance of this asset, so I can proceed with creating a new application. Click Create in the top right of the screen. In this case, we will create an application for a dispensation for a wind turbine generator. I select Dispensation, select the station and asset name. Information on stations and assets in ACS are available within the drop-down list. Tick the Other box if you need to use a station or asset that does not exist in ACS. In the duration field, specify the required term to undertake remedial action and return the asset to the compliant state. Think of this as an expiry for your dispensation. If remedial action is not possible and the shortfall will apply for the lifetime of the asset, click the Lifetime of Asset checkbox. Next, specify the Asset Owner Performance Obligation, AOPO, or technical code from which the dispensation is sought. In this case, I will use the following code obligation and this description of non-compliance. Please note the information in the fields above will become public. Avoid including any confidential information. Supporting information, including the confidential information, can be attached to the application. This information will not be publicly available. I will show you how to attach a file shortly. First, we need to click Save Application. As you can see, the application has been saved and is now in the New Application phase of the Esso Register workflow. The future phases are greyed out. The numbered list on the left-hand side represents the states and subsequent tasks associated with processing an application. Hover over a state to find out who the task is assigned to, or who has completed the task for a given state. To attach a file, click Upload Supporting Information. Drag and drop a file onto the target area or click and select the file from Windows Explorer. Once you have reviewed the application details, click Submit. A confirmation box will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Click Confirm. Your application will proceed to the next state in the workflow and send out a task assignment notification to the Compliance Coordinator role for application review. Thanks for watching.